everybody. I want to take a second to tell you about a special class that we have coming up. So you may have already seen this 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar that Stampin' Up! Has. So stay tuned if you want to see what's inside the box. I'm going to open mine. If you want to wait, if you're planning on getting the box and you want to wait and open it a day at a time, starting whenever you decide to start the 12 Days of Christmas, then you can stop. I'll tell you when I'm going to open it and you can stop watching the video. If you don't know if you want the box, let me tell you, you do, because there is some really cool stuff in here and stuff that you can't get from Stampin' Up! Any other way. So there's that. So if you're not thinking about getting the box, go ahead and watch it and then maybe you'll change your mind. So there are 4 of us and we are doing a PDF tutorial bundle that will have 12 cards. So if you purchase this kit from any of us, and you can find our link below the video, then you get the PDF bundle for free. So you can make 12 cards. They will be birthday, anniversary, Valentine's, baby shower, graduation. It's maybe a Christmas gift, but they're not Christmas cards. So we want to make sure that you know that. You can tell from the words on the stamp set that it's a year-round, all-occasion kind of set. So all you do, buy the kit, and then you'll get the PDF. The first 4 projects will arrive mid-November, and then you'll have the full bundle of projects by the beginning of December. It may be ahead of time, but we just want to give ourselves time because, you know, it's a crazy month in November. We have got a Stampin' Up! Event in Las Vegas, and we have the holidays. So just to give you time, and that also allows you to get this kit for you. Maybe get one for your sister, for your mom, for your grandma, for your best friend, and then you can both craft along with it. If you already have the kit or you're a demonstrator and you want to buy it for yourself, you can buy just the PDF bundle from us. Again, you can find that information with the link of whichever demonstrator you're watching this from at the bottom of this video. Or if you join any of our teams, then we will give you the PDF bundle as a new team member. And if you're on our teams, then you can get it as well if you're already there, because we love you. So I'm going to show you. I'll start with the stamp set, because if you have been on any kind of videos, you've probably seen it, and then we'll open the box. So it's the 12 Days of Crafting, and then it's exclusive to this event. You can see the words are nice and big. So there are words that will do all occasion stamps for the year. And then there are some floral, cupcake, little backgroundy kind of sets, stamps over here. And then they match the stuff on inside. So you can see the inside, even if you are not going to keep watching, and then I'll give you the heads up. So we do think this box has potential for next year for you to put it back together. You would want to cover up the 2025. Maybe you could just come up with a fun way to put a 2026 here, and you could fill it with candy or toys or all kinds of different things and just reuse the box. So if you don't want to see what's inside, now is the time that you turn off the camera, click the link below, and go buy the kit or register to get the bundle. So I am going to start opening. So if you're leaving, leave now. You've been warned. Okay, let's start with box number 1. I'm not sure the best way to do it because I would like to reuse the box. I'm going to try it this way. And I'm just going to pull it up. And then I might, on the rest of these, I will open them and then fast forward it. So you can see they're perforated. And it's got this behind it. So here are some dies. They will cut out the images, and then they will also give you some that are dyed and cut. Look how cute that little scalloped rainbow is. There's a butterfly, there are flowers, and some leaves. So that's day number 1. Let's get day number... Should I go in order? If I go in order, then I have to figure out which one is it. So here's number 2. They're easier than I thought to open because I saw the Stampin' Up! Video when they opened theirs. I'm going to use this, though, because I don't want to take my nails off. So just slide this under. Oh, yeah, that works really well. So just grab your bone folder. Okay, and here, takes up more space than if I'm just stamping on my table. Here is the designer series paper. So it is year round. As you can see, it matches the stamps. This will determine the colors that we will use in class. And so you will get a thing that lets you know what colors of cardstock and which color of stamp pads that you need to have on hand. And you can see it is single-sided. We have heard through the grapevine that Stampin' Up's going to start doing some single-sided paper. So this may be their first little foray into it. Try to let you see all the patterns. Those are beautiful. So there's our paper. Put that aside. Then let's do door number 3. Let's go back in there nicely. Let's see. Yep. This way I'll be able to stick it in as I design my project. So there's 12 projects. There are 4 of us doing the bundle for you. So you will get 3 cards from each of us. And we have divided up because we want to make sure that you all get a card that uses all of the different sentiments, and then there'll be more birthday cards. So these are embellishments. These are kind of old school embellishments. That's what it reminds me of. Back before all of our embellishments came on little pieces of paper and said adhesive backed, these you will need to use glue, and you can kind of see them there. They're beautiful. They're gold. But when they're not adhesive backed and they don't come on the little cardboard, obviously you can get a whole lot more of them. So that is door 3. Okay, door 4 has these fun gold tags and banners and little embellishments that you can stamp on and then add to your cards. So we have these. Stick these back in here. Let's do door 5. This is one of the things that is a little bit special. So it is some stencils or masks, and they layer just like Stampin' Up! Often has our layering masks. But then look at the brush that comes with them. It's a different kind of brush than what we normally have. So you have that. But this isn't the thing that I was talking about that is different. That is different, but it's not the super cool thing. So we have these masks and a blending brush. Okay, door 6 has puffy stickers. Look how much fun these are. So there's quite a few of them. There are cherries, little bows, little rainbows, cupcakes, flowers, and strawberries. So those are super fun. Love the colors on them as well. So that's 6. Door 7 down here. These are going to be, everybody's going to have FOMO that doesn't get this. They're going to be seeing these used and say, where did you get those? Because they are some postage stamp dies. And they're a little bit, we currently have postage stamp dies, but they are a larger size. I mean, these are a larger size than the other ones as far as the actual postage part. The dies we currently have overall in size are bigger, but this has a bigger postage edge on it. So that is door 7. Door 8 is some twine, and this is in Misty Moonlight and Flirty Flamingo. So then we have door 10, and these are so beautiful. We have some more embellishments. They have, you can see flowers and little sequins. And then there's some other shapes in here too. See if I can do it. I should have gotten a little container out. There are little hearts. See the little heart that's upside down. So the pretty side is flipped over. Oh, I can't do it. You'll have to get them so you can see them. And I think there's cupcakes. Oh, bows. I knew there was another shape. See those bows? Aren't these fun? So they're kind of hues of pink and then a matte gold. Oh, can I get them back in there? Well, now I'm just going to have some pretties inside my box. Thankfully, there's lots of them. So if I lose a couple, we'll be good. Look how pretty they just look scattered there. So that's door 10. Door 11 is fabulous. It is some glitter glue. It's gold glitter glue. This will be perfect for adding little centers to your flowers, little squigglies around your cards. I cannot wait to get my hand on this. And if I know my girls who are doing this, a lot of your cards will have the gold glitter glue on it. And then last but not least, door number 12. These are some laser cuts and some paper that appears like it's been through a folder. So you don't have to put it through a folder because it's already been through. So let's look at the folder paper first. So it's just embossed paper. We have large flowers and then little small flowers. And I can already foresee putting little gold centers in that with either the sequins or the glue. And then here are the laser die cuts. I've had fun opening this along with you, seeing it. So comment below if it's changed your mind on what's in the kit. So look how much fun these are. Are not those are just beautiful, aren't they? So again, head below this video, whoever's channel you're watching it on. Purchase the kit. If you get it the 22nd through the 24th of October, it's free shipping. So that's the perfect time to do it, right? Because you can save the shipping on it. So get it. It's a ton of value for what you're getting. I mean, it's like 2 stamp sets because you get words and floral. So it's 2 stamp sets and then 12 fun bits. So there you go. We look forward to seeing you in our class. Have a great one. Bye.